Hi Year 3, Miss Atkinson here, and this week's video is going to be about how well you know your times tables. So, in a few weeks, you will be entering Year 4, okay, and at the end of Year 4, you have a times tables test, okay, it's 25 questions, each question you get 6 seconds to answer, so not very long at all. So it's really, really important that we practice our times tables as much as possible. Okay, so we're going to have a go. For this, you'll need a pen or pencil and some paper. Okay, so you can write down your answers as we go through. If you've not got a pen or pencil to hand, okay, your grown up or an older brother or sister can test you verbally, so don't worry too much. Okay, so the first activity we've got 6 multiplication questions down the side and 6 answers, okay, on this side. See if you can match up the multiplications with the answers. So if you pause the video now, have a little go, and then when we come back, we will go through our answers together. Okay, fantastic. Let's see how you got on. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. 9 multiplied by 3, we have 27. 10 multiplied by 7 is 70. 4 multiplied by 12, we've got 48. 8 multiplied by 8, you should have got 64, which means the last answer, 2 multiplied by 11, is 22. Remembering, if you're stuck, you can swap the digits around. So when we're multiplying, it doesn't matter what order the numbers come in. Okay, so you can swap the digits around to use the multiplication table that you are most comfortable with. Okay, the next activity we're going to have a go at is using multiplication wheels. So I've got 3 options for you. Move myself out of the way. 3 options for you. We've got chili 1, which is your 2s, 5s and 10s. We've got chili 2, which you've got your 3s, 4s and 8s. And then we've got 3 chilies, which is your 6s, 7s and 9s. Okay, so you might feel comfortable starting at 1 chili, having a go at those. If you feel a bit more confident, move on to your 3s, 4s and 8s. And if you really want to challenge yourself, moving on to your 6s, 7s and 9s. So have a go, pause the video. You can write them out in a list, okay? Or you can draw it out in the little wheel. It's completely up to you. Okay, so pause the video, have a little go, and then we'll go through the answers when I come back. Fantastic, okay, let's see how you got on. On the next slide, I'll put all of the answers. They will be in red, so you can have a go at marking your own, or a grown-up or an older brother or sister can have a go at marking it for you. If you did it verbally, okay, you can have a chance to look at the answers as well on the next page, and your grown-up can let you know how you did. Okay, lots and lots of numbers there. Have a little look, see how you got on. If you struggled with it, go back, have another go. It might be a certain multiplication that you find the trickiest. Okay, so if you started this round and you just did chili 1 and you got them all right, next time try and push yourself and do the second chilies. Okay, if you've done both, maybe try and push yourself even more onto chili 3. If you did all of the chilies, okay, and there's one that you're a bit stuck on more than the rest, that's the multiplication that you can keep practicing over and over every day, okay, maybe for 5 minutes in the morning, okay, just to keep refreshing it in your mind, so when you get to Year 4, you're a superstar at them. Okay, now what we're going to have a go at is a practice run of what the times tables test will be when you get into Year 4. So like I said before, it's going to be 25 questions, and you'll have 6 seconds to answer each question. Okay, there'll be a countdown along the bottom of the screen to tell you how much time you have left for each question. Okay, so writing it down, you can just write the answers down, you don't have to write out the question. Okay, just write the answers down and then we will mark them at the end. Okay, so press play, pause it if you're just getting yourself ready, and press play when you're ready. Okay. 5 multiplied by 7. 3 multiplied by 8. 12 multiplied by 4. 10 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 6. 9 multiplied by 8. 2 multiplied by 9. 4 multiplied by 3. 11 multiplied by 10. 3 multiplied by 12. 7 multiplied by 7. 4 multiplied by 8. 2 multiplied by 7. 9 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 5. 12 multiplied by 12. 12 multiplied by 6. 10 multiplied by 8. 6 multiplied by 3. 7 multiplied by 8. 9 multiplied by 9. 5 multiplied by 8. 4 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 12. 9 multiplied by 10. Okay, fantastic. Here are your answers. See how you did. I know that it's not very much time for each question, but in the real test, that is exactly how it will be. And the question will skip straight to the next one, even if you didn't quite finish it. So have a little go at marking them. If you struggled, see if you can figure out which multiplication it is that you might have struggled with a bit more. Go back to those multiplication wheels, go back to your multiplication grid in your home learning packs, have a little go at practicing again, and you can come back to this and have another go. Okay, so pause the video, mark your answers, see how well you did. Okay, if you are still struggling and you'd like a bit more practice, there are lots of games that you can play online. Okay, so you can copy and paste these, I think, into your internet. If not, you can type them out. There's Hit the Button, which we play in school quite a lot. There's some other games on the same website, okay, that you can practice your times tables on. And MathsFrame have lots and lots of good resources. They also have a practice test, just like the one we've just done, okay, where you can set it to test you on all the times tables, or you might want to pick a few that you're struggling with to get you to practice them a little bit quicker. Okay, and you can, it changes the questions every time. You can set it to how you would like it to go. Okay, and Twinkl have lots of games available as well. If you type in times table games into Google, there will also be lots of other ones online, okay? So these are just a few that I found for you to have a go at. So have a little go, see how you did, and just keep practicing, keep up the hard work at home, keep going with your home learning packs, your Mathletics, your reading eggs. Any questions, anything at all, anything you'd like to share with me, if you might have baked something great and you're really proud of it, send it through, okay, to year3@webster.manchester.sch.uk, or you can put it on Twitter and tag Webster Primary School and myself, and I'd love, love, love to see all the things that you've been getting up to at home. So take care, see you soon, bye.